What if I told you that while you sleep, work, or binge watch your favorite Netflix show, your money could still be working harder than you ever have? Here's the thing. Most people work for money, but the wealthy, they make money work for them. How? One word: automation. Automation isn't just some cold robotic future, it's the invisible engine behind every financially free person under 30. And if you're not using it, you're falling behind. Fast. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to automate your finances, boost your wealth without lifting a finger, and unlock the real freedom most people spend a lifetime chasing. And hey, if you're still budgeting with a pen and paper, we might need to have an intervention. Seriously, let's dive in. Imagine waking up late, skipping breakfast, rushing to work, and then remembering your credit card bill was due yesterday. Yikes. Sound familiar? Here's the cold truth. Living manually, paying bills, transferring savings, investing inconsistently, isn't just exhausting, it's dangerous. It leads to missed payments, zero savings, and surprise overdraft fees that hit you like a slap from your bank. You're not lazy, you're just overloaded. Because manual financial management is broken, and your brain wasn't built to remember 15 financial tasks every month. Automation solves this. It removes human error, emotional decision-making, and the "I'll do it later" trap. Let me ask you, would you trust your brain to remember your ex's birthday? If it meant losing $200 if you forgot? No? Then don't trust it to manage your entire financial life either. But how does automation work exactly? Let's step into the future. Think of automation as a personal assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and never forgets. And the best part? This assistant is free. Automating your finances means setting up systems that run without your involvement. Bills, paid automatically. Savings, transferred before you even see your paycheck. Investments, deposited into your portfolio while you're on a date or gaming with friends. This is how the financially successful live stress-free. They set it once, and let it run. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." And automation, that's your first step to earning while you sleep. But what should you automate first? Stick around, because the next section will show you exactly how to build a system even a millionaire would admire. Let's get tactical. Here's how to build your automated money system in just a few steps. Step 1, direct deposit your paycheck. Your salary should land in your checking account. But don't stop there. Step 2, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer, 10 to 20%, into a high-yield savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Out of sight equals out of spend. Step 3, automate your investments. Link your brokerage account, Fidelity, Vanguard, or even robo-advisors like Betterment. Set recurring weekly or monthly contributions into an S&P 500 index fund or a diversified portfolio. Step 4, set autopay for bills and credit cards. Avoid late fees and improve your credit score on autopilot. Step 5, budget backwards with apps. Apps like YNAB or Monarch Money let you set rules once, and they follow them like a disciplined assistant. Set it, forget it, and enjoy your iced latte while your net worth grows in the background. But wait, what about emergencies? What if you lose your job or something breaks? That brings us to a crucial safety net most people skip. Let's face it, life happens. Your car breaks down, your job cuts hours. An unexpected medical bill arrives. Here's where the automated emergency fund becomes your financial airbag. Set up a separate savings account, preferably one with zero easy access. Automate a small weekly or monthly deposit, $10, $50, whatever you can afford. The goal? Build 3 to 6 months of living expenses, slowly, steadily, automatically. Future you will either thank you or haunt you. Your choice. Because automation doesn't just build wealth, it protects it. So now that we've built your system, how do you optimize it over time? Automation isn't set it and ignore it forever. It's set it and review it monthly. Every 30 days, increase your savings rate by 1%, rebalance your investments annually, cancel or renegotiate automated subscriptions, and boost your emergency fund if your lifestyle changes. The power of automation compounds over time. A $100 automated investment today can turn into tens of thousands in your 40s. And here's the kicker, you don't need to earn 6 figures to do this. You just need to be consistent and automate your consistency. Now you might be wondering, this sounds amazing, but what if I've never even invested $1? Well, that's exactly where we go next. You've just built a financial engine that works without you. You're no longer guessing, stressing, or reacting. You're leading your money, automatically. But automation is only half the story. The real game begins when you learn where that money should go. So if you're serious about creating real wealth, don't miss this video. Investing for Beginners, the simple path to wealth. Click it on your screen now. I'll show you how to turn your automated savings into a wealth-building machine, even if you've never invested before. Until then, automate like your future depends on it, because it does.